Hey there, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of how to calibrate or recalibrate a Tank Gauge Plus. So first things first, this will be mounted on your tank. I'm just standing here for now, but just twist that gauge counterclockwise just a little bit, then you'll be able to pull that out. Next, pull the float out of the tank. You'll be able to pull that string up, and then there we've got the float. I'm just going to put that little mount pad down for now. Normally that would be in the tank, of course. Next thing, on the back, I'm just going to remove that rear cover. There's sort of two little points you can sort of get your fingernails underneath, or if you need to get a flathead screwdriver, you can just sort of pry that open if it's a bit stuck. Next thing, this is the important bit. Grab that float, hold it up against the end just so that it's sort of kissing the base of the gauge there. Hold this button down for 5 seconds or thereabouts, and then when you let go, that'll flash. That's recalibrated. So, and by recalibrated I mean it's sort of zero to that point. Next, just pop that back lid back on. Doesn't really matter which way it goes on. I should have put it on a bit more straight. And then simply lower that float back into the tank. Just let it go in there nice and slowly, not too quick. Doesn't have to be too slow either, but just don't sort of drop it in case the tank's a bit low. And then I'm just going to get that gauge and then twist it clockwise into position, and that's all there is to it. Thanks.